Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Ball Maze is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your toddler. It seamlessly blends fun and learning, challenging their problem-solving skills while simultaneously enhancing their hand-eye coordination and fine motor abilities. This video will dive into what makes a great ball maze, helping you choose the perfect one to spark your little one's curiosity and development. Number 5. COUOMOXA Marble Run Blocks. This amazing set combines the fun of a marble run with classic large building blocks. It's perfect for creative building and exciting marble racing. It's designed for toddlers and older kids. Younger children can focus on the building blocks, while older children can enjoy the challenge of the marble run. It's more than just fun, it helps kids learn about physics, engineering, and problem solving. It encourages creativity and improves fine motor skills. Made from high-quality, safe materials, it's easy to assemble with clear instructions. Kids will love building and playing with it. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a classic toy that will provide hours of fun and learning. With lots of pieces and compatible with other major brands, it offers endless possibilities for creative building and imaginative play. The more pieces, the more fun. What we like? It boasts large, compatible blocks, making it perfect for combining with your existing sets. This encourages creativity and extends playtime. If you're looking to expand your child's existing block collection and enjoy a fun marble run, this is the one for you. What people say. It keeps getting better and better. My kids absolutely love it. With all of the variety we have now and all the different pieces, they can literally spend hours building these runs. Got this for my boys 2 years ago. They still play with it with their Duplo blocks at ages 7 and 5. The launch piece eventually broke after 2 years, and the seller worked with me to get replacement pieces quickly all the way from China before Christmas. This is a really nice marble run set. The blocks are large and brightly colored, just like the name brand ones you buy for small kids. We liked the fact that you can put together 6 different configurations. Number 4. PicassoTiles Magnetic Marble Run. It enhances brain development through play. The magnetic tiles let kids build their own creations, improving problem-solving skills and hand-eye coordination. This toy is a STEAM toy, combining science, technology, engineering, art, and math. It encourages kids to be creative and develop logical thinking. With 8 different shapes, it allows for multi-layered designs and endless combinations. It's compatible with other PicassoTiles sets for even more fun. Made with BPA-free, child-safe, and lead-free materials, it's tested to ensure quality and safety for your child. It's a fantastic gift for boys and girls. It's great for solo play or group activities, and it's a wonderful way for parents to bond with their children. Watch your child's imagination soar with this engaging and educational toy. It's more than just a toy, it's a journey of discovery. What we like? With magnetic tiles, building is a breeze, and the possibilities are endless. It seamlessly blends creativity and STEM learning. If you like magnetic building toys and want a toy that grows with your child, this is the ideal choice. What people say. So I have bought a huge number of marble runs, made from wood and plastic, some with motors and some without. But this one is the easiest to maintain, quickly put away, and much easier for my son with Down syndrome to use and play with. We are 2 weeks into our homeschool, and this marble run set has been a favorite activity so far with my kids, ages 10, 7, and the 13-year-old even enjoys designing along with her siblings at times. I have really enjoyed watching them learn about engineering and physics along the way as they design the marble run and make adjustments to get the balls all the way to the end. The balls are a great size. The ramps feel a little flimsy and they are a little tough to click into the magnetic pieces, but still so much fun with some help. Number 3. Super Ball Drop Toy. It's more than just a toy, it helps develop your child's motor skills. Watch them learn and have fun guiding the balls through the exciting pathways. Get ready for some fast-paced fun. This amazing 20-tier raceway lets you launch all 4 balls at once. See which one wins the race. It's quick to set up, so you can spend more time playing and less time assembling. The innovative design offers endless fun and creative possibilities. This fantastic set includes 28 pieces, giving you everything you need for hours of creative play. It's packed with colorful balls, ramps, and bridges. Made from high-quality, child-safe plastic, it's built to withstand hours of active play. You can rest assured knowing it's safe and durable for your little one. It's perfect for children aged 10 months and up. This toy grows with your child, offering endless fun and learning opportunities. What we like. This set features a thrilling 20-tier raceway and comes with large balls for easy handling by little ones. It's quick to set up, meaning more time for play. If you are looking for a quick and easy setup with maximum fun, this is the one for you. What people say. Large marble ball set. Great for 2-year-olds. My 2-year-old loves to build this marble run. The marbles are big enough that she can't put them in her mouth and the colors are fun. It's 2024 and now our 2-year-old born after we bought this in 2021 plays with it. We got this for our now 5-year-old when she was 2 as a gift. It's still working perfectly. No broken pieces and our kids are definitely tough on toys. Easy to assemble, colors not faded, pieces still fit. Number 2. BATTOP Marble Run. It has 167 fun pieces, including xylophone and giraffe track blocks. Kids can create various imaginative masterpieces and have fun building independently using the detailed instructions. This toy sparks creativity, improves spatial reasoning, and introduces architectural design concepts. Children learn through play and exploration, making it an educational and engaging experience. Made of high-quality, eco-friendly ABS material and it's passed US safety tests. The smooth, burr-free pieces are safe for little hands to build with. It features easy-to-use card slots for simple assembly. You can create simple or complex track models, suitable for various ages and compatible with other major brands. All products are thoroughly tested. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll resolve any issues within 12 hours. What we like. With 167 pieces and a unique xylophone track, it offers a huge variety of building options and exciting sounds. It's perfect for kids who love to build and explore. If your child enjoys a challenge and loves to create, this is the perfect choice. What people say. He loves it. He will put the balls on the top and watch them go down for hours. He helps to put it apart and put it together. It comes with directions for 2 ways to build. My son needed a little help with the directions at first, but can build independently now. They are sturdy and fully compatible with Duplos, and it really adds to the fun to combine them. It comes with more than enough pieces, full instructions of how to build a number of different designs. Number 1. Beestech Ball Tower. It's a fun and educational toy for toddlers. Watch them develop their motor skills and hand-eye coordination as they play. It comes with 6 colorful balls for endless fun. They'll love dropping and watching the balls roll down the tower. With 6 tiers, it provides hours of entertainment. It's the perfect way to keep little ones engaged and entertained. This toy helps develop important skills. It improves hand-eye coordination, problem-solving, and fine motor skills. The final tier is sealed, so the balls stay contained. No more chasing balls all over the room. It comes in a beautiful gift box, making it a perfect present for any occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This simple, 6-tier tower is perfect for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's easy to use and great for younger toddlers. If you are looking for a simple, yet educational toy for your toddler, this is it. What people say. So yes, it's a little on the small side and will easy disassemble if played with very roughly. But if it's sitting on the floor and baby is just putting balls in the net, it's perfect. My son really enjoys playing with it daily and it's held up fine. This toy is so simple to put together and my 7-month-old played with it from the start. A mi bebé le gusto mucho, solo que de desarma fácilmente. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.